This week, we are on a road trip down to the Florida Keys. We will be staying at Playa Largo in Key Largo, and then on to the Marriott Beachside in Key West. But first, after a 4-hour drive, we need some lunch. We are going to stop by a food truck called Tiago's Tacos, which I think we saw on YouTube about a year ago. Tiago's Tacos has multiple locations, but we're going to a food truck that is in an industrial park just outside of Homestead, Florida. Alright, so we have the Birria tacos. This is the Birria Trio. Birria Taco Trio. And this is the Birria Queso Tacos. Alright?
Yes. They have 3 different sauces.
Dana has some sauces there. Not sure what they are.
Either am I.
We're going to try them out. I tried to hold it up to the camera, but it's dripping.
It's juicy. It's very
dripping
juicy.
with juices.
Very, very juicy.
Cheese was better.
The cheese one is better.
Alright, so we made this detour to go to Tiago's Tacos, and it was just alright. Wasn't good, wasn't bad, it was just alright.
The taco shells were good. They were different. They were good.
The taco shells were very good, but the meat inside and the birria dipping sauce, very bland. I expected more.
Good.
Yeah.
The other sauces were good. The meat was good.
It was bland. We had about another hour of driving before we hit the bridges leaving the mainland. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified of future videos. And don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Yes, my name is Valentine. I have a reservation starting tonight. We are in room 1317, which is the presidential suite. As you walk into the room, there is a cupboard. And then the hall bathroom. It has its own toilet, sink, and a separate shower. After the entryway, there is the dining area where there is a large dining room table. Looks like it can seat about 7 people. And a credenza, which has the mini bar. There's also a coffee maker, but I think we bought our own hot water heater. We bought our own electric kettle. Did you bring any beans? The living room. There is an L-shaped couch, along with the settee that Janetta is occupying, and the TV and another credenza. The master bedroom is huge, with a king-size bed, another settee, and of course a chest of drawers and a television. The master bath, again, is huge. There is a soaking tub, another shower, a double sink vanity, a walk-in closet with robes and a safe, another toilet. And here is the balcony. It is, again, huge. There's a table, a couple of rocking chairs, a table, and a lounger. Now this view would be perfect if it weren't for all these mango trees. So this is the hotel lobby. Nice little hanging chairs, little seating area. The fountains and the check-in desk. And this is the Las Olas Ceviche Bar. This is actually the second floor of the hotel. Then we head outside. It's the pool and cabanas. And as you can see, not sure what week this is, but there are a lot of kids here. Just what Janetta and I like. There's a hot tub. At least yesterday it wasn't very hot. We'll see what it's like this morning. Alright, yesterday we got here, this was a warm tub. And now it is truly a hot tub. So I'll be seeing that later on tonight. Through the gate, you have the beach area. And you don't walk right into the beach. There are actually steps and a seawall. There's a bar. Probably a good place to watch the sunset. This is Soul by the Sea. This is their seafood restaurant. It only gets 3.5 stars on Yelp, so I don't think we'll be eating there. Let's see if we can go up and get a closer look. Probably is a great place to have a drink and watch the sunset though. They have kayak rentals and parasailing and all types of water sports that you can do here. Not sure what that's about, but it's probably pretty hot in there. Later that evening, we went out to the Thai Key restaurant in Key Largo. And we're starting out with some edamame, and I should have some calamari coming in a minute. And here's the calamari. How is it, Janetta?
good. It's crispy. Nice crisp.
Looks like a little hole in the wall place, but
Sometimes the hole in the wall places are the best places.
Yep.
Yeah.
I am having the duck curry, and Janetta is having soft shell crabs in the black bean sauce. And both smell good. All right. So the duck curry is excellent. Janetta, what do you think about your crab?
I'm waiting for.
I got you. All right, so she doesn't like me filming her while she's eating.
No, I don't.
So
The crab is delicious.
Okay.
Very flavorful. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Trying to get you eating a piece. Go ahead.
No.
So this is really, really good. It's very
it
hot
spicy?
also. No, not very spicy. I probably could have had it spicier, but still really, really good.
It's just heat hot. Is that
Huh?
you're saying? It's just heat
Yeah.
hot.
Really heat
Temperature
hot.
hot.
All right, that was some of the best Thai food I've ever had. Really good duck curry. Janetta really liked her soft shell crabs. So it was very good, huh?
Yep, and the black bean mushroom sauce. That's what it was.
That was a good ending to a long day. We'll see you next week for more of the Florida Keys.